what are the type of e-invoice to be issued? We have spoke to good number of end user, and everybody there, everywhere there is a confusion that for a particular type of transaction, for a particular type of supply. And when we are dealing with a type of end user, that the buyer, how, what invoice, what is required to be issued, standard invoice or a simplified tax invoice. So please understand, tax invoice or a standard tax invoice is issued for most B2B and B2G transactions, and this is absolutely issued so that the buyer can claim your input tax credit. When we talk about the simplified tax invoice, these are issued for most instant in the B2C transaction, wherein buyer is not required to claim the input tax credit. Now let's understand what are the different type of supply and the nature of buyer basis which you are required to generate your invoices. Let's say you are you are doing a taxable supply or a zero rated supply, and your buyer is a taxable person or a non-taxable legal person. And if the value of the transaction is greater than equals to 1000 Saudi riyals, you are required to issue standard tax invoice. Please take a note of it that it can be taxable supply or a zero rated supply. The person can be taxable person or a non-taxable legal person, and if the value is greater than 1000 Saudi riyals, government asked for issuing the standard tax invoice. And if the transaction are done with the same set of person, and if the value of the transaction is less than 1000 Saudi riyals, you are given an option. Either you can issue the tax invoice or a simplified tax invoice. But please take a note of it, whatever invoices you are issuing, the fields, the requirement in a particular invoice has to be as per the ZCA guidelines. Coming to the next point, that is the export transaction or nominal supply transaction, which is nothing but your deemed supply. You are required to issue a standard tax invoice in all the cases. Now, we found certain exception also while reviewing the provisions of the law where most of the clients are getting confused. In a normal B2C transaction, right? Everybody know that we are required to issue a simplified tax invoice. And at the same time, in the simplified tax invoice, we are of the view that buyer details are not required to be captured. For this also, I would say that you are partially correct. Why? Because government has specifically has mentioned that for private, if the invoices are issued for private medical or educational services, then it should have a buyer details captured.